How to change YouTube channel name on mobile. Let's get started. Launch your YouTube app. You'll land to the home page. Now at the bottom you'll find different options. Navigate to the option of View. Once you're in You page, here you'll find this option of View channel. Click on it. Then click on this pen kind of icon. With that, you'll land to the channel settings page. Now from here you can easily make changes to your YouTube channel name. Click on the name. Then remove your old name. Then type in the new name. This name will be visible to anyone on YouTube. Changes to your name will be reflected on your YouTube. You can change your name twice in 14 days. Once you're done, click on Save. With that, your YouTube channel name will be updated. So this is how you can easily change YouTube channel name on mobile device. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.